Today we are in Toronto, Ontario at the Moss Park Armory base, and the last time I was here I had a man snap over my jacket. All the jacket says is, if you do not hold bad cops accountable, you are not a good cop. So the man came up to me and started asking me if I know this is not a police station.
You do know this is not a police station, right?
Excuse me?
I said you do know this is not a police station.
Feet, please.
Now looking at it, it's very clear that this is not a police station. So I let him know that.
But you do know this is not a police station, right?
I think everybody knows with eyes and a brain that this is not a police station.
Okay, I'm just going by the advertising on the back of your jacket.
We talked, we had a somewhat normal conversation.
I thought we were finishing a conversation. If you want me to, as you might say, fuck off now, I can leave now. But if we're done...
I respect my elders. I don't want you to fuck off. I would just like to respectfully continue what I was doing before you interrupted
And
it.
I'm sorry for interrupting.
Not a problem, sir.
And then in the end of it, I brought up the jacket and I told him I realized what he did at the start. Guys, he snapped.
What did I do?
You had a problem with my jacket,
I did
the
not.
statement on it.
Stop. I did not
Don't
have a
point at
problem
me.
with your jacket.
Don't point at
Do not accuse me
Don't
of
point
something
at me.
that's not correct.
Oh, you're making fists.
Yes, I am, because you're
scare
now
me.
upsetting an old man
You don't
who has
scare me,
been
man.
in and
Back
around
up.
police
Back up.
all his life.
I don't care.
I know you don't.
I don't care.
Because you just don't care.
So now I'm back. I brought the drone this time. I got Hawkeye with me. We're flying over. I'm gonna let them know first. Let's see how it goes, guys.
How are ya? I'm good, thank you. Who do I speak to about, I want to put up a drone, fly the drone, just have a look, see what's going on.
Sorry?
Who would I speak to about putting up a drone?
Like above the armory?
Yeah, I just want to have a look in the back and kind of see what's going on.
I don't know if you're super allowed to do that, I can't lie.
Do you think I should just go ahead maybe?
No, I don't think that would be a good idea.
No?
No. We can,
His name is Hawkeye, if it makes you feel better. He's like a hawk.
yeah?
He's a friendly drone.
Okay.
He's just gonna have a look on the roof and the back, and there's not much else to see other than that, right? It's
I
kind of.
mean, why don't you just call it? Just give him a call.
I could wait a couple of minutes.
Yeah, it'll only be a few minutes.
Sure.
Although they're curious with the visit, that's what's expected by these guys. They're doing much better than the last visit. Let's hope it stays like that.
Is there any reason you want to fly a drone up there and see what's going on?
So Hawkeye, for one, he just wants to get out of the bag and fly. It was raining earlier.
Alright.
I couldn't really let the hawk fly, so I'm gonna let him fly now.
Yeah.
And as I was driving by the trucks, I noticed the trucks.
Oh.
So I thought, better place we check out the armory, make sure the roof is good. We'll do a roof inspection
You know.
and see how it goes.
Yeah, I assure you there's nothing interesting going up on the roof, you know?
Yeah. I've heard that before, and then I went up on the roof, I found pools and parties and all sorts of stuff. They tried to say it wasn't interesting though.
I wish we had some pool parties up there.
Oh, sir, how may I help you?
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good.
Good. What's your name?
My name is
Good to meet you, sir. My name's. So yeah, I wanted to fly over. I just wanted to give you guys the heads up so there's no watch the gate there. Not sure if it stops for you. I just wanted to give you a heads up so you guys are not really curious, not worried about what's going on, alarmed, anything like that. I just wanted to...
I can ask one of my higher-ups to see if you can, because this is military property.
Gotcha.
So I'll be right back, okay?
Yep.
Please stay on the other side.
Not a problem.
Again, well done. Very professional, very respectful, very curious. But like I said before, that's expected. So now we wait for the next rank up. We're going through the whole chain of command here, guys. I promise you we're going to talk to them all.
Hi, how's it going?
How are you, sir?
Good, I'm nice to meet you. Yeah. Nice to meet you. So you want to just like take footage or?
Yeah, so I just want to put up Hawkeye. This is Hawkeye. I'll introduce him to you guys.
And what's the purpose?
He's harmless. He's very harmless.
Okay.
So yeah, he's just gonna go up, take some video, take some pictures, and he'll be gone before you guys know it.
What's the purpose of it?
A roof inspection.
Roof inspection.
Yeah, we're gonna inspect the roof.
Okay, that wasn't passed through the building OIC, so
Yeah,
usually
no.
we do it during working hours, and the building OIC is Captain.
Oh.
And he would be informed of that before, ahead of time.
Oh.
So we don't actually need a roof inspection as far as it's been told to me. If possible, we do need one, but not that has been informed to me. And Captain had for the day, and he didn't inform me that there's a roof inspection.
Oh.
So what you can do is, you're allowed to fly that. I can't stop you from flying that, but I would appreciate just the fence line. Stay outside of the fence line. Unless you would like me to call Captain Hepburn, and I can ask right now.
If you can call Cap, maybe,
Yeah.
just because I did want to, the point of it was kind of to go over, and I'm going to put it on YouTube and show the people a little bit about the Army base and stuff like that,
Okay,
right?
so a roof inspection is for maintenance. We wouldn't need that on YouTube.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit strange to me, but I'm going to ask Captain Hepburn for you. So essentially, you can fly your drone as long as it's not a no-fly zone. Like obviously, you can't fly near the airport or wherever they say there's no fly zones.
Yes, correct.
You can fly in the park, right? We're basically like a park, but this is like D&D property, all the fence line.
Yeah.
And unless there's like a purpose for it, I really shouldn't allow the drone to fly within the D&D property. Again, I think, let me just call Captain to confirm.
Okay, not a problem.
Sir?
Yeah.
As well, our garage door in the back is open.
Okay.
If we do allow him, do you want me to close that door?
You can leave that open. Sorry to bother you. It's I have a person here. He wants to fly a drone. I'm advising him he can't fly a drone over the D&D property area. However, he can fly it wherever he wants on his own accord. Like it's his free will to fly the drone as long as he's obeying laws, local laws. That's fine. He says we need to do a roof inspection. Have you been informed of any roof inspection, or would that be the purpose to fly a drone over top? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, do you want me to put him on the phone with you? Okay, this is Captain. He's the building manager.
Great.
He's willing to talk to you. This is my cell. You go ahead if you want.
Sure. Do you have speakerphone?
Yeah, let's go to speakerphone. You got you on speakerphone roadside here. Just
Captain, how are you? How are you doing today?
Good, good, good. What company are you with again?
Hawkeye Enterprises.
Hawkeye Enterprises.
Yeah. Hawkeye is, he's a drone. That's the name of my drone, Hawkeye. And he just wants to go up and have a little look. Nothing harmful. Just kind of see what's going on in the back, up on the roof, make sure that everything's looking good up there, and that's about it. We might go to the top of this, looks like some sort of structure with a ladder going up the side of it. We check that out.
So here, if you don't have anything scheduled, I can make them. We can reschedule for the morning when is here, and then I could just tell him to maintain, stay outside of the perimeter of the fencing. Like technically, he can fly his drone as much as he wants, but like if you're not aware of it and it does, maybe we wait till Black and McDonald's here. What do you think?
Yeah, 100%, man. And this drone guy, if you want, you can get my number.
Okay.
So my problem, Captain, is I'm not going to be available to return, so I am going to have to get the footage today. I just wanted to let you guys know out of courtesy
yeah,
and respect that there's nothing to be alarmed about. It's nothing nefarious. And
Okay. So Nick, I'll just we're doing our change of command tonight, Nick, and I got like sentries at the gate, so he was able to talk to one of the sentries. I'll just have the sentries watch and monitor, and if something goes wrong, if your drone goes down in our lines, we'll pick it up for you and bring it out. We're not gonna.
I appreciate that. Yeah.
Uh,
Hawkeye, he's a pretty healthy bird. He's never fell down before, so I don't think that.
Yeah.
I think it'll be eventless, pretty much.
Yeah. All right. So
I will stay at a
I'm
safe
here if anything
space.
goes wrong, and I'll call you if something happens, bud. Okay, talk later. Okay, bye. So yeah, if you can get the footage without going in the fence line, that's ideal. Again, so here's the funny thing. Do your glasses have like a recording?
Yes, sir.
So here's the funny thing. You can see, like, anyone living in these apartments, they can see right in. So there's really no footage you're going to gain that any of those people in those apartments wouldn't have already had.
Yeah.
And this is a reserve establishment. There's no secret documents. There's nothing of that nature that you can gain access to. All our vehicles are available to Google. Like, you could Google all the vehicles we have on the lot, and they would come up as a list of what vehicles we have. So you could probably, so really the information you're going to gain from anything you would gather from a drone is very minimal. So that's why it's okay. But please just maintain the this is D&D property. Stay outside the fence line if that's okay.
Well, I'll be honest with you. You've been very respectful. You've been very professional.
Yeah.
I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm not here to do a roof inspection.
Yeah.
We're here to do education on drone laws.
Okay. Yeah.
We like to educate people that private property, even such as this, the airspace is public.
Yeah. Okay.
The airspace is not private. So I will be flying over.
And there's nothing I could do to stop
There's
you?
no harm intended.
And honestly, so as a military person, if I saw something wrong, all I am able to do as a military person is call the local police and say, hello, I have a person here, drone. It's not malicious. He's been respectful. Now he's crashed into one of our trucks and he's damaged one of our trucks.
Exactly.
And then we'd have to exchange numbers, or we would find out what's happening. Do you mind if I take your information?
I'm going to give you a card just because, again, you have been very professional and very respectful.
Yeah.
I will give you a contact card. The police know us very well out here, as you'll see.
As long as you're not flying in a
Canada
no-fly
Cop
zone,
Watch.
right? Like if you know better than I do. If you're near the airport, no-fly zone, or there's patches that you can look up and say, okay, here, this area is not a no-fly zone. Right,
yeah,
like
so
Moss Park, it's mostly a park.
So I'll show you the what I looked on right now, just to give you some peace of mind. Nav Drone Canada.
Yep.
Let's get to the bottom here. So we are gonna go. This is a micro. It's under 249.
Yep. And these are like probably downloadable maps that you can access and.
Yeah. So it's Nav Canada.
Okay, Nav Canada. Yeah. So this is like a flight, like pilots use Nav Canada.
Exactly. It shows you where your no-go areas are.
Yep.
Like for instance, if I was on a bigger drone here, if this was larger than it's all red.
Yeah.
It's all no-go.
Because you're going to get
you
too
got
high.
heliports, you
yeah,
got the hospital.
Get too high and you're going to be in the fly zone. Yep. So like you said, you know the law, so you're at your own accord, you're at your own will. If your thing crashes, I'll bring it back and give it to you. There's no malicious intent. Sir. And like I said, there's nothing secret. And actually, for educational purposes, if you're ever to approach a secret area base, it would be a no-fly zone for the drone.
Yeah, and it will show us on here if it's no fly zones are registered, they're all on here.
Absolutely. You got your other the commissioners here. So yeah.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Very good meeting you guys. Canada Cop Watch. If you ever have some free time, check it out online. That's what we do. We're on all the social media platforms.
Canada Cop Watch?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. I appreciate you very much. Again, I'll be. I don't expect to be more than 10 minutes.
That's okay. No problem. Enjoy.
You have a good one, sir. Thank you. Also, just for peace of mind, I'm going to take off and land off of property.
If you put it on YouTube, can you like put my name? Don't put my name in.
That's not a problem. I will blur it 100%. Thanks, guys.
Hawkeye here. Today we are in Moss Park, Toronto. This will be my new home. I plan on building a hawk nest on top of the tower that is in the back of this place. I gotta find a way to get rid of the ladder so nobody can climb up there. But I viewed this place while I was sitting up on top of the CN Tower the other day. So I came over now to check it out. They got all sorts of interesting toys in the front yard. Maybe at nighttime I'll go down there and play with them. See what's going on, see if they still work. Let's go down and have a closer look at them, guys. Let's see what's happening with this. I like how it's set right up in between the two flags. I don't know if I'll be able to operate this myself. I might have to get one of my hawk friends to come through and help me out. But we will figure it out. Look at this Canadian flag, and I must say, these gentlemen represented Canada well today. They did not try to violate our rights. Look at my weirdo owner down there standing on a public sidewalk filming. That is a crime in the city of Toronto nowadays. Back to the area, to the right, we have got a whole lot of madness. You will find people sleeping while they're standing up. You will find paraphernalia all over the grounds while kids are walking by. In the field to the right used to be Tent City before the Toronto police came through and kicked everybody out with force. I wish I was here that day in the sky to catch it. I wasn't. I was busy somewhere else, guys. I heard about it afterwards. They're lucky, but I got my eye on them. This is the Uber Eats for my hawk food. I told him I'm coming here. He filled up the whole back with the hawk food. It's back there, guys. It's like a buffet of hawk food. Back over here, they've got a big mess going on in the corner. They're gonna have to clean that up if I'm living around here. Once upon a time, there was a pillow, an actual pillow hanging off of the barbed wire. You can't make this stuff up, guys. But we are at my home. This is the new home, the tower. We're gonna call it the Hawk Nest. If you guys ever wanna find me, this is where I'll be. Unless I'm flying around with my owner. When he locks me up for lying, I will be over here, guys, way down in that hole. He said he's gonna put a cage on the top of it so I can't get out, but I'll break right through that shit.
Usual suspects are here. He's got a video camera recording, gray hoodie. We're gonna need to stop and investigate them. They tried to actually get in her vehicle during the middle of her traffic stop.
He's looking at a cop watch.
Wow.